Hello, littles. Hi, mamas. Go get your dinner. Hi, little babies. Hi, Choo-Choo. Hey, Diamond. Crinkles, you a daddy's girl today? Come on, Thunder, go. Go, Thunder. Get your dinner. Hurry. I got you, baby. Go get it. Go get it. Hurry up. You're going to miss out. Well, hello, Miss Ma'am. Hi. Thunder, you nasty boy. Hey, sweet cheek. Mama keeping you clean. Look at your stripy eyes. Beautiful like your mama. Yes, you are. Hey, Bridget. Hey, little babies. Hi, Cece. It's Mama. I was wondering why the pond looked like that. And whoa! Hey, Diamond! Cut it out! Well, the pond looked like that, and there wasn't any poop on the poop board. What I call the poop deck. There's moisture down here from that rain they've been playing down here all day. What was that all about? Girl, why are they so mean to you, sir? Why are they so mean to you? Hello, little babies. Where did my little girl go? She's over there. Go somewhere else or she'll stop. Get. Hey. Mess with her. Come here. Come here. Hey, my girl. How's my pretty girl? Oh, my goodness. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. Thank you. Hello, my prettiest girl. Look at that. When you gonna give me this baby? This girl, I feel like you've been cooking it too long. Did Thunder not like you? My most handsome. I had to wait till you got done eating, baby. You want some loving, Miss Bridget? Can I love on you? Who's been licking your ears? Hey. Can I love on you? Lookies? Okay. Can I love on you? Oh, sweetest girl. Yeah. Did that really itch it for you? Yeah. You are funny. Yeah. You having a good day? Yeah. That's that world? Yeah. That's your sweet girl stuff. Why are you picking on them babies? Huh? Why are you picking on them babies? Oh, there you go, baby. Baby. That's your baby in there. When you gonna give me this baby? You gonna share that baby with Mama soon? I love you. Could I have another? Could I have another kiss? You can think about it. You can think about it. Oh my goodness. Did you want to come say hi to everybody? Just because I was playing ice cream paint job? Do you like rap? I tell you what, you do? Okay, how about tomorrow I bring you out some good rap? Maybe some 90s? I don't know. We'll see how I feel. Okay? I'll bring the boombox out and we'll listen to some tunes. You want to think about it? Listen, your mama left you with me. She in fact did not. I think you know that. Well, clean yourself up with your badass attitude. And also, Numbers Dade Ranch said that I needed to chase you and see if I can catch me a bad little baby. Come here, you bad little baby. Come here, you bad little baby. Come here. Come here, bad baby. Where are you going? Whoa, it's a chicken, Mama. That's a chicken. You a scaredy cat. I'm not really going to get you, bad baby. I love you. Come here. Honey, I'm not going to hurt you. I was just playing with you. Yeah. Your little milk stash is awful cute. Well, you can just go on then. But I might still get me a little handful of booty. Whoa! Hey! Good boy. You really do just be testing me sometimes. Hey, sir. Oh, baby. Oh, Thunder! Thunder! You're such a jealous boy. Goodness. You didn't want the snacks. You wanted loving. Listen, you're my number one guy. You're my fella, okay? You're my mama fella. Sorry, sir. I'm already taken. I already have a man in my life. Yeah. Hey, Danger. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetest baby. Hi, sweetest girl. You mama's girl? Yeah. You looking good and thick. You babysitting? What the fuck is that? You dug a fucking hole? Well, yeah, I see it, but what are you doing? Why are you letting them? Why are you in the hole you dug? Buddy, I just don't feel like this is normal. Thunder, don't look at me like that. Them is you babies. I don't know what's wrong with him. Danger, what are you doing, honey? Sprinkles, why you acting like you didn't participate? You know you was a part of whatever this nonsense is. I'm gonna check on your hole in a little bit. Y'all bad babies. You got bad babies this year. You bad. Can we get a video together? Can I get this? You don't have to. If that's something we learn, that's okay. That's okay. If you ever want to. Okay? That's how we do it. That's how pretty you are. You are such a beautiful creature. Beautiful. How about behind those ears? Oh, yeah. There you go. You were like them when you was little, but now we're good, huh? Now we're friends. A beautiful boy. Him is a handsome boy. Him is a handsome boy. He's a good boy. Yeah. You come see me? I'm a beautiful girl. Hi. You going to say hi to everybody on TikTok? Can you say hi? You got some kisses? Oh yeah, that was a nice juicy one. Look at your blue eyes. Yeah, they're still blue. Can I love on you? You are such a sweet girl. You are a sweet girl. Oh, thanks. I love on you a little. You just couldn't? You couldn't possibly? That's okay. Maybe you could think about it. It is.
You have the prettiest eyelashes. And I love your blue. And I love your pretty eye. And your little pinky lips. And your little tiny tongue. And all your sprinkles. Sissy did a good job. Yeah, that's your baby. That's beautiful, Sissy. That's beautiful. You're a beautiful girl. You are a beautiful girl. I love your eyes. Oh, hello, beautiful. You going with your mama? Okay.
Think, Thunder, should we let him over? Did you want to come, Thunder? Okay, big boy. Well, 'cause you said so. Well, come on. You gonna bring him? Come on, Thunder. Come on, Thunder. You bring him, baby. Oh, sorry, girls. Come on. You kind of deserved it, Diamond. You've been a real bitch. I love you, but you have anger problems. We should probably get you some help. Got a therapy or something. She got it from you, Mama Jade. Hey, Thunderpants. Hey, Miss Sissy. Hey, Daisy May. Hey, Littles. Hey, Truly. Hello, Clover. Oh, hey, sir. You tell that baby, say, get out my way. He's a handsome boy. Where's my girl? And my Bridget girl. Just beauty queen. Hello, little tiny boy. Hey, Danger. Where you going? You gonna take your little sneaky route you don't think I know about? Girl, I know. Oh, you so sneaky. You just so sneaky, aren't you? You just know your own little way. You better run. Don't you kick either. The most handsome one. You know who it is. Look at Clover's little nosy ass. Hey, Clover. Oh, here comes Sprinkles. Hi, Sprinkles. You got your backup, ladies?
What you doing, Cleo?
You got your backup, ladies? That's your little girl. You love her, Thunder? You're the best papa. Oh, here we go. Come on, Tipsy. Come on, Stormy. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah, they're okay. Them's your babies. Them Thunder's babies. Yeah. Oh, you have your daddy's booty cheeks? Girl, look at your little marks, just like your papa. It's so pretty, Stormy. Goodbye, Stormy. And Stormy's got your little butt cheeks, your little round, plumpy plump, and your little zebra cake lines. That is so cute. Look at him's butt. Look at her wee little butt. Oh, so cute. Look at your strappy self. You are so beautiful. You are such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Hey, Bear, come give me a kiss. My battery's about to die. There you go, little one. Hey, Sprinkles, jealous butt. Hey, Sprinkles. You're in trouble. You're a little troublemaker is what you are. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Hey, why are you messing with these babies? These my sweet girls. Get a hold? Nope, okay. This is your baby, Daisy May. This one right here, this little naughty one. She's pretty. Busted. Busted. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, you're not scared of anything, are you? No, you're going to be such a beautiful big girl. You're so pretty. Love you, Miss Sprinkle. Could I love on you just a little bit? Hey. Oh, goodness, Mama. If you want. Tell you what, I'll just stand here and you could think about it if you... Jade, that's your baby? Is that your baby, Jade? Could I get a love in Miss Jade? Could I go boop? Just a boop? Boop. Thank you, baby. So, that's okay. You don't have to. Your baby sure is looking good, Miss Cleo. You're looking real beautiful. You're just looking real beautiful. Mama, but you built like your papa. Hey, sweetest. I love on you. Hey, honey. Hey, honey. He's a good boy. Yeah. He's a very good boy. Either you just lying about being pregnant or you just really like your snacks. Or both. Girl, that's a belly. You got a baby in there? You got a baby in there, honey? Hmm? Hey, my sweet girl. Hey, my sweetest girl. Girl, you just don't need any more snacks. I'm just telling you right now. I see the rest of you. Yeah. Are you just really fat as shit right now? Or are you actually pregnant? Because I'm beginning to not know. How long you gonna hold that baby from me? How long you gonna keep it? Is it that or you just got a pot belly? It's okay. Still gonna love you. I still love you either way. I will still love my girl. That's Mama's girl. Hi. Just a little taste. Oh my goodness. You're so funny. You are so funny. Pretty girl. Hey, sweetest boy. Hey, my sweetest boy. A little taste test too? Y'all are funny. Y'all are funny. Can I love on you? That's a good boy. Hi, Miss Clover. Can I love on you? Oh, hey, Diamond! You better get done with that. Crackhead. You be acting crazy for no reason. Teaching your baby how to be crazy too. Don't you even look at me like that. Hey, sissy. Is it in the air? Is it because it's windy? Everyone's feeling piss pot? Just gonna love on you. Okay, fine. Whatever. Did you want any or no? Because I'm not trying to make anyone take a lovings, okay? I'm not trying to do it. You want in there because the baby's food's in there. I know what you want. Also, watch out, butthead. Hello, Miss Clover. Hello, Miss Clover. Hi, Mama. Can I rub your back? Would that be okay? Can I give you crutches? Sweetest girl. Mostest beautiful girl. You're so pretty. Look at your curls. You're so beautiful. Oh, Mama. No, that's okay. I was fussy when I was pregnant, too. I was fussy when I was pregnant, too. Hi, Thunder Cakes. Hey, Jade. Beautiful girls, beautiful girls, beautiful girls. You love the sweet treats I leave you? Looking for new pals. They also feel safe with the cows, so they'll go further and stay out longer. you go. Oh my goodness. I think you like it. I don't really care if you do or not, because you're basically a tiger. And I'm getting my ass up because you are not going to kick me in my face. You going to say hello? Oh my goodness. Listen here, spicy girl. Look at you, spicy girl. What you thinking? Sweetest girl. You playing hard to get today. Don't get spicy with me. Don't get spicy. You'd probably like it if you let me do it. That's my girl. That's mama's girl. Yeah. Oh, that girl. Oh, if I get the itchies. All right, pretty girl. All right, pretty girl. All right, pretty girl. Like, want me to try sweetness? You want to try this? There we go. Oh, yeah, that's real nice. You like that? You want to try it in some boy? There you go. See, hey, don't start none of that. You're going to get me ran over by no the cows playing out. You just stop it. Showing out. Look at you. You don't even have a head whirl. Your mama, you don't give head whirls. You're licking my leg. Your mama doesn't give head whirls. She doesn't give them out because half our babies, most of our babies are mean as hell like her. But you're not. You're a sweetie cheeks. You're a sweetie cheeks. Yes, you are. You want me to brush it? Okay, well, that's fine. Miss Bridget, Miss Bridget. Hello, my friend. Hi, Sprinkles. You're always up for some loving. You know when to come find me too, don't you? Come here. Hey, my girl. Yeah. That's my sweetest girl. You can get your little boop. Boop, 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 boop. Come here. Come on. That's my good girl. So beautiful. What do you get on your head? You guys have some poop or something. Yeah. Oh, that's real nice. That's real nice. Pretty girl. You're a love. Listen, with the violent love, I can't scratch you if you stand that far away. You gotta come over here. You are getting so damn big. Girl, I don't want it. I don't want you to get big and leave me. I don't want you to be a big girl yet. I'm not ready. Yeah, my big girl Bridget. Hey, Bridget, did I move too fast? I'm sorry, Mama. Just being a sassy little thing. You must be these redheads. Them red. Hey, Tipsy. Hi. Hi, my sweetest girl. Hey, Danger. Hey. You want me to scratch your head, Mama? Come here. Come here. That's my girl. Come here. Oh, you're really looking for that good stuffing. Yeah, there you go, baby. I hear you heavy breathing. You got some itches on there, don't you, love? There you go, sweetest girl. Oh, my goodness. Get in there, huh? Oh, my gosh. Girl's your brain itchy? Oh, that's so nice. There you go, baby. Yeah. You ain't too shy, are you? No, you're not too shy. You're a pretty girl. I just come to look for some goose eggs. What you doing? You are not scared of anything, are you? So curious. Yeah, I picked up a rock. Oh, you want some scratches? All right. Okay, sweetest girl. Just your head? You gotta quit moving it then. I'm scared I'm gonna scratch your eyeball, you crazy girl. Crazy. Oh my goodness, what are you coming over here for? Guys, this feels a little confrontational. Listen, your TikTok fans, they need to see you. I have to hold the phone, babies. I need more hands. I need more hands for scratches. Hey, no, we don't do that. I don't care. Don't you run your head into me again. Be nice. Thank you, ma'am. Goodness. Oh, she got me good on my leg. Well, don't you think about it. We should be good. I don't mind scratching, but y'all ain't going to be pushing me around none. Well, then move along. Hipsy, you caught up. Look at y'all fickle boy. You got some dingleberries. Let me get them dingleberries for you, Miss Maya. Yeah, boop. Boop. Oh, you could be thunder. He said there might be something bitter over here. Hi. Make a crunchy sounds. Crunch. Stormy, run! You're late for dinner. Go, Stormy, go! Come on, Mama. You were late for dinner, baby. Come on, Mama. She's licking her lips. Come on, Stormy. Hi, Sprinks. Hi, Sprinkles. Hi, Tipsy. Y'all come for some lovins? Yeah. Oh, don't be jealous. I can get you too. I listen. I don't have enough hands. You sweet baby. Oh my gosh, y'all are so sweet. So sweet. Don't be jealous. Y'all are so fun. You are the most loving one, aren't you, though? You really have a heart for it. You are going to make someone a beautiful, beautiful cow. Yeah, you're going to be a good mama and a total sweetheart, I can tell. Yeah, because you love the lovins. I'm pretty sure that's why you're standing here. Y'all have a good day. I know Chauncey's running it for you. He came to get his lovins. It's freezing out here, and you were soaking wet with mud and poop, and I don't know what else. You clean your eyeballs. What have you been into, baby? You should get all over your butt. Hey, Bridget. Bridget, there's nothing in that bucket. You know that, though, don't you, honey? Oh my goodness. Beautiful girl. Look at your beautiful girl. Hey, Jane. It's empty. There's nothing in it, honey. Hey, sweetest girl. Remember when you wouldn't even let me touch you? Now we're good? Okay, not? Okay, well, that's all right. You don't have to. Sometimes we don't want to be touched. No. You love me in your own way, don't you? You have the roughest tongue of everybody. Okay, all right, I won't do that then. Can I touch you? No, okay. Well, that's okay. I won't push you. You don't have to. All right, baby. Nice. There you go. Yeah. Hey, sweetest girl. Oh, Sprinkles, you must be loving it. You want some lovins too? Okay, here you go. You want lovins? You want to think about it? Huh, Stormy? Oh, I know you do. I know you do. And I know your jealous ass does. Look at all that. Look at all that. You think it's spring? Oh, jealous. You are jealous, little girl. You are. There's nothing in there, Bridget. There's nothing in there, love. Yeah. Hey, baby. Woof. Get that spring hair off of there, huh? Yeah. Hey, Bridget. You want some lovins? They come at you too fast. You just, okay. Just pissing. Hiya, babies. Oh, gosh, y'all made a juicy mess in here. Hey, my sweetest girl. Oh, you're all full of lovin's today. You're all full of lovin's every day. I love you. Can I get a sugar from you? Ooh. Oh, Springs. Sprinkles, can I get a sugar from you? Oh my gosh. Hello, gorgeous baby. Hello, gorgeous baby. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, beautiful girl. Hi, beautiful girl. Such a beautiful, beautiful girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Sweetest girl. Sprinkles, you're getting so big. You're so beautiful. You're a beautiful girl. Hello, sweetness. Hello, sweetest baby. Hello. Hey, baby. Hello, little baby. Look at your little curly head. Aren't you precious? Aren't you just precious? Look at your little spotted ears. You are beautiful. It's okay, Clover. I'm just loving on your baby. I babysit for you. Tipsy, is that your baby? He's your baby. He is a fine little specimen. You got a sweet face like your papa. You sure enough do. You are beautiful. Who's that, Sprinkles? That your brother? Sweetest baby. You was a baby once too. Oh my goodness. Why y'all scared the little one? Hey, babe. He don't want to go with your big butt. He wants to stay with me. You let him stay with me. He's fine. He's fine. He just wants to say hi. Hello, baby. Hello, little baby. Just let her stomp off. I'll stay with you. Dang it, Clover. You're so selfish. Clover. I love him too. Damn it, Clover. You can share. You good mama. Yeah, you good mama. All right, take your baby. Hussy. Thunder. My man. Listen, I saw you were in on it too. Gorgeous, gorgeous girl. Why you let him do that? That's how you get these? This here plumpy plump? Huh? That butt cheek? Doing that? Gives you this? My boy. Oh, my boy, my handsome boy. What are you doing? Thunder. Hey, Daisy Mae. Oh my gosh, you let me touch you. Okay. Well, that's a first. That was nice. Maybe think about doing it again sometime. It was lovely. Would you like a boop? Boop, good girl. Oh, good girl. That's so nice. Baby, that is so nice. Hello, my sweet. I'm out here in Crocs and sweatpants. Don't you step on my foot. Hello, little boy. Hi, Teddy. Hi, Teddy. Can I get a little pet? It's okay. He's okay, Diamond. I'm not going to hurt Diamond! Diamond! Jealous butt. Leave him alone. That baby's fine. Get your ass on. Get your ass on. Hey there, baby. Hello, baby. Hey, sweet boy. Yeah. Oh, my God. You are dog cute. Hey. I ain't seen you in a couple days. You mad at me? Can I live on you? You are mad at me? No. get you, and I'll get your little buns. Give me them little buns. Give me them little buns. What are you doing? The amount of stuff I keep having to pick up in this pasture is just ridiculous. Listen, Teddy. Your mama's gonna come get you. I would just really like to pet you. Just come here. Just come here, boo-boo. Leave little soft loose, though. Listen, there's your baby. I was just bringing him back. Don't yell at me. It ain't dinner time yet. Hey, girl. Hey, gorgeous, gorgeous girl. Hey, gorgeous girl. Yeah, I know him a bad little baby. Bad little baby, isn't he? Not you. What'd you get on your... You got something on you. Hang on. I'll get that off you. I'm gonna get some kisses. In my jammy pants. Oh, thank you. Okay. Well, bye. Boop. Some lovin's. Boop. Hey, Miss Man, what'd you floof? Yeah, I know you're gonna be all up in my business. I am in Crocs. I can't even. Don't even start with me. I'll get you. Yeah, y'all just do what you're doing, I get. Oh, come on. Daisy May. You the queen. Can't you do something with them? Y'all, be careful now. Somebody gonna get stuck. Come on. Hey, what's up? Oh, mama. Get your baby. You better go with your mama. Go with your mama. You cute little thing. He's so beautiful, Clover. Clover, him is so beautiful. Yeah. Hey, Clover. It's mama. Hey, that's your baby. You want me to watch it? Yeah, go with your mama. Clover, he's gorgeous. Hello, little one. I'll be your pet. Sam, hey. You going to your new home? You going to miss me at all? You escaped. You did so crazy. You're all right. All right, you take care of them. Bye, Pringles. Oh, my girl. That's our girl. They are the sweetest family. They're going to love her so much. Bye, baby. This is the hardest part. Oh, my sweetest girl. I'll go get the baby. You go have fun. Go have fun with your family. Mama, go babysit. Go on, honey. There you go. Are you the babysitter, honey? My honey is your babysitter. You can go play with your family. Go on, go play with your family. I'll watch him. Go on then. Go on. I'll watch him. Hey, baby. Did they leave you? Did they leave you, sweetest boy? Well, go on. I got him. Should we walk? Do you want to come? Teddy, why do you always try to get away from my love? Your mama left you. Come on, let's go find your mama. Go take him, Tipsy. Sprinkles. Go take him. Take Teddy. Go on, my girl. Come on, let's help him fight. Come on, little buddy. You gotta fight. It's a tough world, buddy. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. You're doing great. I'm your other mom. You're just so tired. Was it a long delivery, sweetheart? Yeah. Mama's so hungry. Let her get some fluids for some milk. You're all right, sweetest boy. Just take a rest. You are beautiful. You come out much bigger than I thought you were going to. Is this the first move of the spring? Are you guys so excited? And crunchy snacks? Come on, mamas.
Mom.
Let's go. Yeah, woohoo, truly. Come on, babies. Woo, thunder. Come on, sweethearts. Yeah, Jade. Oh, you ready? Where's your baby? You left your baby again. Come over here, baby. Come on, baby. Go on, baby. Go with your family. Go with your mama. That way, baby. There you go, honey. Hey, Clover. Clover, don't. If I didn't know better, I think you're doing it on purpose. That's my baby, too. That is my baby, too. Thunder, that's my baby. Tell her share your baby. Oh. Okay, then. That got serious real quick. You already got her, I'm pretty sure, buddy. You just in the mood? Okay. Well. Bad little baby. Bye, Thunder. I love you. Why's your tongue sticking out? You are about the cutest thing ever. Excuse me, Hagrid. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. So, listen. But listen. Hagrid. Just want to look at you. Can I just look you over, biggin? Jade, stop your crap. Hi. Hi, babies. Peekaboo. I see you. Oh, peekaboo. A peekaboo. Hey, Teddy. Teddy, you looking real good. Y'all are some of the most unfriendly little jerks I've ever had. Okay, bye, Teddy. Need to wipe your butt. So you know. Probably need to wipe your butt. Thunder, do you want any love? Nope, you're trying to